Welcome to the last bigger repair video of my cheapest crashed KTM 1290 Super Adventure 2021. Today I will replace the wheel and it took me half the day, so here's why. I have bought the wheel from disassembled 2020 model and it was supposed to be the same. Same dimensions, same part number in the diagrams, and to my surprise it was not. 2021 has the wider rim smart 5.0 while the previous models had 4.5. It means that you will put there a tire without any problems. You will also mount the wheel, but it will be narrower on the outer diameter and there is more. Okay, after doing some more research I found out that someone had sent me the wheel from 1090 or 1050 because these models use the wheels of size 4.5. 1190 and 1290 use 5.0s and they are the same since 2013, so my mistake. Anyway, back to the video. Paying €300 for the wheel, I decided to mount it because I'm too curious about the first ride. The first thing was to dismount the wheel, which is pretty basic procedure. You just release the bolt, unplug the ABS sensor, which has also one bolt mounted near the wheel axis. Replace the tire, replace the pressure sensor, which was in this case done in a mechanic. I just wanted to know if the new wheel is straight and it was perfect geometry, a few millimeters narrower. Also the sensor hole is like half millimeter wider on the newer model, but nothing that drill cannot do. With the wheel all set up, I have moved the brake disc to the new unit along with the ABS sensor thing, and then the fun began. I was unable to pull the plastic sealing out with my hammer. With the screwdrivers nothing worked. So I have decided to give it a heat. You know, heat expands the metal, so it should help. I have slowly started to heat up the surrounding area not to melt the plastic, and it did not work. After many swear words, I have found that the best solution is just to tap it with a small screwdriver and pry it out. Then it was just about replacing the spring ring that was inside of it and the wheel was ready to mount. Mounting the wheel is sometimes hard because the washer that is keeping the right distance from the swing arm and it keeps the wheel spinning free sometimes does not want to go where it's supposed to be. Best solution for me was to put the wheel slightly from the top end and it slided just right in. Then you need to do a reverse procedure of dismounting, returning back the axle and the ABS sensor, and wheel is all ready. Now the bike is ready for its first ride, but there's more. I have decided to do some tweaks, so you don't need to ruin your bike if it won't work. To spoil the next video, here is something I have pulled out of my exhaust. And I can tell you, it sounds different. So stay tuned, subscribe, comment if you like to ask something, and I will keep you updated in the next video. Until then, ride safe and peace.